Important lessons were learned at Central Public School in Grimsby this week. Those lessons didn't happen in the classroom or come from a teacher. Judi Vankovich, better known as the Manners Lady, brought her message to an eager audience.
Well, I think the most exciting thing for our kids to learn is that manners are fun, and our manners can make a huge difference in our lives, but also in other people's lives. And we live in such a self-centered generation, a me-first generation. I want it now, I want the biggest, the whole climbing your way to the top thing. And I think if we can help our young people get a glimpse of the amazing doors that will open for them when they put others first, when they think about principles like the golden rule, stuff that we grew up with.
For today's kids, was this a refresher or was this an introduction?
Was it a refresher or introduction? Hopefully a refresher.
And show me your hand.
I don't think anything I'm teaching is new. Kids know it's important to look people in the eye when you talk to them, I hope. Offer your seat out of respect to an older person. Get the door for your teacher. Be a good listener. Be a good friend. Tell the truth. Don't be a whiner and a complainer. We just package it in a very fun way.
Nice to meet you too.
For those taking part in the interactive workshop, valuable lessons were learned.
That you handshake with your right hand and you say stuff back that when they ask you.
Something to do with to get up and offer your seat to elders and pregnant women and stuff.
It was really cool. I thought it taught people to respect their parents and other people around you.
Well, I know to use good manners now, and that, yeah.
What are a couple of examples of good manners that you can put into play?
When someone says, "How are you?" don't just say good, say, "How are you?" back.
Let's take you out of the hallways of Central and put you on Main Street in Grimsby. Is a young person apt to give you a nod and a hello in the morning?
Yeah, because the students from Grimsby Secondary, Blessed Trinity, walk along all the time, and they're pretty courteous to me. And when I walk downtown or near my house, they part and let me go by without pushing me off the sidewalk. And I see how they react with other citizens along. We have a lot of older people in town now, and I see that they're very good.
Central Public School's motto is character in action, an adage that fits nicely with the overall message given by the Manners Lady.
Manners and character are extremely interrelated. Manners are an outward expression of our inward character. So if we are kind, if we are patient, if we are respectful, that will come out in our manners. We'll greet people, we'll be a good listener, we'll offer our seat to an elderly person. So our manners are our actions, and our character is the attitude of our hearts.
I think one of your key quotes was respect, everyone wants it. What's the best way to get it?
By giving it. The best way to get respect back is to give it. And someone said once that all you pour into the lives of others will come back into your own. And so the more you give, the more you get. You want people to be nice to you, be nice to them.
For more information or to become a member of the Manners Club, log on to Judi's website. In Grimsby, you're watching The Source.